Okay, welcome to episode 5 of the SemCom Demo videos. As we explained in the introduction video, which we will link below, SemCom makes it easy for developers to dynamically load web components for different and unknown kinds of data. So let's explain how to set up a SemCom node. We've created a SemCom node package. In that package, you can run the script npm run start to start a new SemCom node with a default configuration, or you can deploy the Docker image. Of course, you can add command line options to further customize the deployment of a node, so you can specify the host on which a node will run, for example. You can also specify what configuration you want to run. This configuration allows you to customize the entire node and is powered by a dependency injection framework called components.js. What's great about these nodes is that they can be configured to synchronize with each other. So that means that nodes that are connected will automatically ensure that they all have the same component metadata across all their pods. So if a user then connects to one node, they have access to the components from the whole network. It also means that when uploading a component, you only have to upload it to one node, and it will then be spread across the network. Furthermore, if there are 3 nodes, let's call them A, B, and C, and A is connected to B, and A is also connected to C, all these nodes will then form a network of trust, and B and C will then also be connected. So let's take a look at a demonstration. To illustrate the synchronization between 2 nodes, I'll be starting up 2 separate ones with their own configuration. So this is node 1, and it is pointing at node 2 to make sure they're connected, and it has its own storage pod. This is the configuration of node 2. It is pointing at node 1, and it also has its own separate storage pod. You can look at these storage pods over here, metadata and metadata 2. So each of these have 2 components in them, but they're different components, and we want to make sure that they get synchronized. So I'll be starting up these 2 nodes with this command. The 2 nodes will then start up, form a connection, and you'll soon see that these 2 components in metadata will be moved to metadata 2, and the components from metadata 2 will be moved to metadata 1. There you go, they've synchronized, and now all the components are available in both pods. So another part of the configuration is that you can configure how often they will synchronize. And I've set it here to be 2 seconds just for this demo, but you can of course make this longer depending on your needs. And that's it.